Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here it says a binary operation star is defined. That means whenever I have two numbers, let me say for example 2 star 2 or star 3, that it is equal to 2 times 3 all over 4. Okay, so that's what this is trying to say. Okay, so what that means is that if we take this first bracket, so the square root of 2 will be equal to the square root of 2 times the square root of 6. Let me go ahead to do that at once. Okay, so it means square root of 2 times the square root of 6, which is equal to square root of 12, everything over 4. Now, but square root of 12 is the same thing as 2 root 3 all over 4. And you know how we got that? Square root of 12 is the same thing as the root of 4 times the root of 3. And the root of 4 is equal to 2. So that's how we got that. Okay, so that is going to now give us of course this will take away this, we'll just have the square root of 3 all over 2, because here will be 2. Okay, the second square root tells us that the second bracket, we are given that root 6 star, and following that definition we are given there, so that means this is going to be root 6 times root 8 which is root 48 all over 4. Alright, so but root 48 is the same thing as 4 root 3. How did I get that? Now root 48 is the same as root 16 times 3, and the root of 16 is 4. Okay, so that's going to give us, this will take away this to give us only the root of 3. Okay, so from here we are now going to have that if we join the two of them, so we'll have the root of 2. The first one here, which is this, gave us the root of 3 over 2, and the second one gave us the root of 3 alone. And of course, you know root 3 is the same thing as root 3 over 1. Okay, so from there, if we now still apply the definition here, that's the meaning of this. So we are then going to have that this is equal to the root of 3 over 2 multiplied by root 3. And root 3 over 2 multiplied by root 3 will give us root 9 over 2. Then everything divided by 4. You remember there is always over 4 there. Okay, so from there we are then going to have this is going to give us root 9 is 3 all over 2, then divided by 4. Of course 4 is the same as 4 over 1, and so we can write this as 3 all over 2 now multiplied by 1 over 4, and this is going to give us 3 all over 8 as our solution, which is option C.